Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can fix PSN network error on the PlayStation 5. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on the PlayStation 5 and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find your games and applications. Here on the right, you're gonna find your game library. Right here, you're gonna find all of your installed games and applications on this device. Here in the left, you're gonna find PlayStation Plus and also PlayStation Store. And right here in the top, you're gonna find all of the settings sections. Here you're gonna find games, media, search, settings, and right here you're gonna find your profile icon. So basically guys, right now, if you want to fix PSN network error on the PlayStation 5, first of all, click on settings and then click on network. Once you do that, you're gonna find two options, connection status and also settings. Go ahead and click on settings and then make sure you enable connect to the internet. Once you do that, go ahead and click on set up internet connection. Then right here, you're gonna find your registered networks and here you're gonna find network found and other. Go ahead and click on your internet connection and then make sure you're connected to it. Then click on option and click on advanced settings. Once you do that, right here, as you can see guys, go to DNS settings. Make sure you make it manual and then go to primary DNS. Make sure you type this address 8.8.8.8 and in the secondary DNS type 8.8.4.4 and once you finish click on OK and then as you can see guys, now it's saying connecting to the access point. Just wait for it until it finishes loading. Right now it's connecting to the internet and right now we are connected. Once you finish, you can go to connection status and test your internet connection. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.